So hey there, this is Rohit and I hope you all are enjoying your day. And if not, I am sure that you are putting your 110% to make it an awesome one. So I am sure कि कभी ना कभी तुमने ये negative camera films ज़रूर देखा होगा. And you might have thought कि इसको color picture में कैसे देखें, how to convert or how can we see what exactly it is going to be look like. Well, developing these films is totally a different process. We will not going to discuss it here. If you really want to know how exactly it is done, you can check the description. I'll put the link there. But we can actually see how our picture will look like in color in Photoshop. Welcome back to my virtual studio. We were talking about how to convert a negative picture into a colorful one. So before proceeding further, just understand the basics of negative picture. So a positive picture is the normal picture that anyone can click a picture with their phones or with their camera, but a negative picture is the total inversion of that color picture, in which light area appears dark and the dark area appears light. Simply the white becomes black and the black becomes white. Or for color negative image, the color reversed, with red area appears cyan, green appears magenta, and blue appears yellow, and vice versa. So the main idea is we just bring the picture in the Photoshop and we simply inverse the picture. So by doing this, we will get the colored picture back. So let's directly jump into the Photoshop and see how exactly it works. So we are in the Photoshop CC 2020. As you can see on my screen, there is a negative picture. So we have to convert it into a colorful one. As you can remember that I said earlier, we have to inverse this image because the negative image is the inverse of the original color image. So to do that, simply press Ctrl I, it will inverse the image. Now you can see that there is a lots of blue color appearing here. But done by, we will just fix it up. Take a level adjustment layer and select the middle eyedropper tool and just click on the white area that you can see in your picture. So I click here and simply adjust this slider a little bit white also, and the dark sliders also. Look at that, my friend. And this is how we can convert a negative picture into a colorful one. So this brings me to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment me batana how was it. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.
আমি তো সৰু মানুহ সৰু হৈয়ে থাকিম আমি তো সৰু মানুহ আমি তো সৰু মানুহ সৰু হৈয়ে থাকিম কথা কাগজতে সপোনবিলাক আঁকিম মিছা চাল মাৰি নিদু নিজক ফাঁকি যে পতকা নাথাকিলেও সপোন বহুত বাকী আমি তো সৰু মানুহ সৰু হৈয়ে থাকিম